Life is like a mirror. Smile at it and it smiles back at you. A gentle word, a kind look, a good natured smile can work wonders and accomplish miracles. 7 billion smiles, and yours is my favorite. Smile in the mirror. Do that every morning, and you will start to see a big difference in your life. Share your smile with the world. It's a symbol of friendship and peace. Let us always meet each other with smile, for the smile is the beginning of love. Nothing you wear is more important than your smile. Smile is the key that fits the lock of everybody's heart. Never underestimate the importance of having a person in your life who can always make you smile. Use your smile to change the world. Don't let the world change your smile. Smile at the obstacle, for it is a bridge. Every time you smile at someone, it is an action of love, a gift to that person, a beautiful thing. Every day is a new beginning. Take a deep breath, smile, and start again. Smile and remember at the end of the day, your blessings overweight your problems. The people who make you smile from just seeing them, those are my favorite people. A smile is the best makeup any girl can wear. Strong people are ones who can smile for others' happiness. When life gives you 100 reasons to cry, show life that you have 1,000 reasons to smile. Too often we underestimate the power of a touch, a smile, a kind word, a listening ear, an honest compliment, or the smallest act of caring, all of which have the potential to turn a life around. After every storm, the sun will smile. For every problem, there is a solution, and the sole infeasible duty is to be of good cheer. A warm smile is the universal language of kindness. If you smile when you are alone, then you really mean it. The real man smiles in trouble, gathers strength from distress, and grows brave by reflection. Keep a smile on your face and let your personality be your autograph. Smile, it intimidates those who wish to destroy you. Smiling is the best way to face every problem, to crush every fear, and to hide every pain. Your smile is your logo, your personality is your business card. How you leave others feeling after having an experience with you becomes your trademark. Always find opportunities to make someone smile and to offer random acts of kindness in everyday life. A smile says 1,000 things all at once. A smile says, I am open to talk, to listen, and to greet warmly. A smile is the best feature that anyone can have, and to develop a winning smile will make you happy as well as everyone around you. Few things in the world are more powerful than a positive push, a smile, a word of optimism and hope, and you can do it when things are tough. Your smile can take my moods away and help me to see it another way. It reminds me not to take things so hard and so seriously every day. Make each day caught by helping someone or just making someone smile. Sometimes your joy is the source of your smile, but sometimes your smile can be the source of your joy. If you want to encourage others to approach and interact with you, the first thing you need to practice is to smile. Welcome every morning with a smile. Look on the new day as another special gift from your Creator, another golden opportunity to complete what you were unable to finish yesterday. The one who extends warm wishes or a smile whenever you meet them are the ones that always make us feel welcome.